You niggas ain't ready for this shit though. This shit's gonna be a banger. Fufu and soup. Fufu and soup. Fufulicious killer goat. Let's go. Pick the flour and then get the water. You mix it together, you get fufu. Don't eat with a spoon, don't eat with the fuck. This shit and your luck. Just eat it with this stew. Oh my god, just eat it with this stew. I told my son to try the fufu, and he didn't like it. I started crying and I beat it. He's black as yes, oh lord, oh my god.
That bitch Fufulicious, she's so delicious. I thought she was Spanish when she was Mauritius. She took the dick like it was one of her wishes. I gave her the dick and went to my other bitches. There's 4 on the bed and there's 3 on the couch. That's 7 times that I have to pull out. She eating my dick while I'm eating fufu. I'm feeling quite moody, just call me Young Blue. Just call me Young Blue, because you're mine still. I'm feeling blue because I'm in your mind still. Them niggas that hate on fufu, they dead. Mama made it so good, it messed with the head. That shit was so spicy, my up started tearing. I gotta run, it's time for my hearing. Shit, I'm caught, nigga, the fuck?
We eating fufu, this shit really good. Shit goes so hard that I have to go poop. Hold on homie, you cannot have my food. This nigga asking man, he really a fool. Pull up my chopper, it's spitting out glue. Also cry so creative, he hit with a right and then with a left. His body was dropping, that shit hit the pavement. Niggas is pussy, they scared of the bosses. Knock out his teeth so easy, so flawless. He's good booty plump, July fufu. Eating fufu with a side of stew. Busting his mouth, my nut look like goo. Chop on me, shoot with confetti. My trainer real heavy, she calling the celly. I'm watching the telly, yo go get me bread in this deli. The gun and I'm holding real steady. I'm not in my prime, but I'm still in go. Just turned 16, it's getting real cold. I need me a coat, but there is no reason to glow. My boss Fufulicious, that fufu delicious. I'm feeling ambitious, my girl suspicious, but you was malicious. I known, I'm superstitious. Bitch, you a character, you fictitious. You niggas suck and that's factitious. This shit going off, I need me the riches. And after I'm done, I go to the dishes. Hey, hold on, nigga, we eat fufu. Hey, nigga, we eat fufu. Hold on, my nigga, we eat fufu. Yo.
Yeah, hey, the fufu was spicy. I need me a wifey, a push for my typey, until real lifey. Until I realized she was so fat. Get heart attack when she starts walking at the ground. Cracks, yes. She goes to the gym, but she's too fat. And I'm crying because I'm gonna get her exercise mats. Jesus, yes. Fufu is the best, better than Jello. And I'm not capping in this beat, because when I eat the fufu, I become a fat cunt. And I was eating it like a hungry nigga, like a starving nigga from the highway. Yeah, I was eating it like a starving nigga from the M4 motorway. Yeah, nigga.